Your haircut might be the real reason you don't look as good as you actually could. The wrong hairstyle can mess up your entire face, while the right one can instantly upgrade how you look. Most guys choose their haircut in the worst way possible. They blindly follow old face shape rules. So here are 5 real ways to choose a hairstyle that can realistically take you from average to attractive. First, use your haircut to fix your facial balance. This is the biggest mistake most men make. If your haircut doesn't balance your facial proportions, you'll still look off, even if the haircut itself looks good. Here's how to actually choose smart. If you have a bigger forehead, avoid slick backs or clean middle parts. Instead, go for textured styles or a light fringe. If your jawline is weak, long messy hair that hides your face will only make it worse. A fade on the sides with volume on top makes your face look sharper. If your face is long, stay away from high fades. Medium or low fades add width and make your face look more proportionate. If you have a round or wider face, volume on top with tighter sides helps create a longer, more defined look. And if you have both a round face and a weak jawline, fluffy middle parts won't help you. They make you look softer. A high fade with a slightly messy quiff adds structure and edge. Second, your age matters more than you think. What looks good at 16 usually won't work at 25. Younger guys often look better with slightly messy, relaxed hairstyles, middle parts, textured flow, or grown-out crops. As you get older, structured and mature cuts work better. Layered styles, clean fades, or natural side sweeps. And if you're losing hair, don't try to hide it by growing it longer. It almost never works. A clean, confident shorter cut always looks better. Third, stop washing your hair too much. Most guys shampoo their hair way too often. That's why their hair feels dry, frizzy, and hard to style. Shampoo only 2 or 3 times a week. Use conditioner whenever you shower to keep your hair soft and manageable. Fourth, sometimes the barber is the problem. Many barbers can only do basic fades or buzz cuts. They don't know how to properly layer or shape hair. To find a good barber, do this. Search on Instagram. Look at real client results, not just shop photos. Check reviews, ask people around you, and don't be afraid to switch barbers until you find the right one. And finally, I've put together a free hair care routine that helps keep your hair healthy, strong, and reduces the risk of balding, along with haircut suggestions for different hair types. Follow these basics and your haircut will finally start working for your face, not against